everyone, Les here from BG Trading. Hope you're well. Today is 2nd of August 2021 and I'll be analyzing Lake Resources, which the ASX code is LKE. This is another EV related stock that is currently trading at all-time high and has generated a lot of excitement in the market. So today we're gonna take a look whether this is still a good opportunity to buy, even though it's trading at 52 weeks high, or we should wait a little bit and buy. Let's have a look. I just want to remind you, this is not a financial advice. It's just us from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply BG Trading and BGS20 strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we use our indicators to know whether we should set up a target or avoid FOMO. This is all for free in this channel. So please make sure you subscribe if you enjoy all the content and also like this video. If you don't like the video, press the dislike button, but please put a comment at the description below so we know what's happening and why you potentially disagree with our analysis. Every single input is extremely important for us. So now let's have a look what's happening. Let's understand first what this company really do. So now this is another like Lake Resources is in fact an Australian lithium explorer, and just as Sayona Mining Limited, it is a micro cap company currently trading around 58 cents. Let's have a look what was the closing today. 53 cents in fact. Lake Resource is a lithium developer utilizing a clean direct extraction technology for the development of sustainable high purity lithium products. And company holds a flagship project called Kashi project. Interesting for anyone that's going to invest in this company to understand a little bit what's happening with this, and obviously understand the fundamentals to know whether the company is currently generating a revenue, how is the net profit or the net loss, what is the company sitting at the moment. And this is what we exploit here. That if you go, most of the explorer companies in the world, if you go into listed companies, they will come up with all this map of exploration area and stuff. But in this particular case, one of the highlights of this company is that the company is actually holds a lease of fully owned projects at what they call the Lithium Triangle in South America. And that is one of the most promising lithium deposits in the world, and has already Australian biggest producer, Orocobre, exploiting the same area and actually producing the same area. And that's what the company aims to do some stage. Not producing, but as far as I can see here, and if you please, if you have a different information, more than happy for you to add it on. The company is looking for obviously off-take opportunities, which companies that are taking the project and moving forwards. That's what they do. So now, one of the things you need to understand that is these companies currently, as well as Sayona Mining and many other companies, has absolutely no revenue, but from capital raising, so institutional investors, big corporations that want to really invest in this company. So at the moment, no revenue, and mostly important, in the net loss keeps on increasing. I'm going to open the analysis here that we've done, just so you understand a little bit what I'm talking about. So this is VIP member area. So just going to show you. This is important for you if you want to buy this stock. Just make sure you understand that that's the scope for the company at the moment. No revenue, and increases the net loss year on year. This is no good, really. It's look, again, it's a very risky place to put the money, despite the hype in the sector. Okay, now if you really want to put money speculate into the lithium sector, which is emerging emerging sector. Here is what we believe we should be doing regarding the stock. When we should be buying the stock. Now, if I go to the stock itself, as you can see here, it's currently trading at all times high, pretty much. And before this whole thing, it was trading around 3 cents for years now. And obviously, people go to those Facebook groups and they look at this. For example, Sayona, a similar company, similar projects, and they say, okay, cool, this company is currently trading at 8 cents. Wow, it's potentially going to go to 50 cents as well. But they're completely different gigs, okay? Both speculative as well. Both speculative. What you need to consider is, okay, what is the number of shares issued by the company? And then also, sorry, if you go to the quarterly report here, there's few highlights that you need to consider as well. So, what is the forecast EBITDA, forecast net profit, and forecast margin for its project if eventually comes to be to happen, comes to life. And this is the biggest challenge here for this company and many other companies is whether they will be able to deliver and will be able to get a company that's going to go there and will actually invest to start producing out of that area. Look, I don't want to be pessimistic here. It's most likely going to happen sooner or later. But you got to consider this. You're going to buy now. You have to make sure you spend your money that you won't really need to touch very, very soon. Because as you can see here, with this chart formation, I'm going to change for our indicators Heikenach. As you can see here, what happened, you have these massive pullbacks on the share price. That's 1 or 2, like about 4 days later, it's 45% down on the full price. And that's when people get caught out. And that's what I don't want you to do right now. Because look, it's currently, our strategy is very clear. One says that you don't buy a stock that is currently trading over 10% above the SMA. Now, the SMA, if you don't know, is simple moving average. It's our main reference here. And the moving average, the simple moving average, 40 days, by the way, if you want to ask us, we use 40 days. Our simple moving average is sitting around 36 cents, okay? And the stock now is stretching up and is currently trading, if I move from Heikenach to candlestick, it's currently trading 48% above 48% above the SMA. So if you hold in stock, happy days, keep on holding. Now, if you not holding, if you're going to, or you want to find a strategy, like our strategy, want to use our strategy, you just should wait. Just wait for that. Because what you want to be doing is you want to buy the stock when it's trading under the SMA, under the red line. I keep repeating myself over and over again in different videos. So you don't FOMO. You don't buy the stock at the highs. And sooner or later, this is the only 100% guaranteed information. I can guarantee you the share price will sooner or later meet SMA. And that's when you buy a stock like this, when it's trading under or at SMA level. In fact, if you want to speculate, I would suggest you to take a look on Sayona Mining, which is currently trading closer, about 8% only above SMA. Although we might going to wait longer because we still want to buy when it's trading under the SMA. So you see stocks looking amazing when they have the massive run, but because they don't have fundamentals, because they are in this sort of scenario here, they don't produce anything. They need to keep raising money. So investors will dump, and when they dump really, really high. really, really hard. And that's when it hurts. Gonna hurt to see that you might could potentially have 40 to 50% down in few days. So you don't want that to happen, okay? So now, key facts here that I have pinpoint in this analysis. Hypothetically, if you really want to invest in this or trade this, by the way, trading and investing are two different things. Okay, so if you're VIP member, so I have all the details about trading and investing here, and what is the best price point to enter into a trade and also enter into a investment. So this is all available in this analysis for VIP members, full for VIP members, but you still get this for free, guys, if you go to the website. You just don't have access to the hidden part. Now, just few things that is very, very interesting to see. Like, obviously, lithium price has increased 100% in the battery grade lithium carbonates price in China during the March quarter, and that is obviously for the massive demand for lithium materials as EV cars will continues to ramp up its production, and then that's when we will need this material as well. Strong financial results generated from pre-feasibility study. Look, this is a pre-feasibility study. It's not even a feasibility study, and even though it is a feasibility study, it's not even if the company starts producing. The numbers are very compelling. They're great numbers, but it's still miles away, years away of the company generating anything if you're going to produce anything in the future. Now, this is the thing. Now, this company again, it's moved. The share price moved by announcements. Okay, what I can see here, the company says that will be issuing its feasibility study results in the first quarter of 2022. Okay, this is the highlight here. Okay, and that's why potentially the share price is has rallied so hard past few days. Okay, maybe some inside traders knowing there is some feasibility study, compelling feasibility study on the way. But what happened after is normally investor will dump the stock, and when they dump it very hard. Okay, as I say again. Now, one thing you need to look at is although the projects are showing promising results, it is important that investor or traders are aware that the company does not generate any revenue and the net loss increases year on year. So this is no good, okay? And interesting for you to know as well that exploration companies depend on constant capital raising and share dilution to ensure they stay alive. Hence, as well as Sayona Mining, previously analyzed in this link here as well, guys, for you if you missed the analysis, are extremely high risk stocks to invest and also to trade. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. All right. So now back to the share price. What I would say in this case is I wouldn't enter if anyone that hasn't bought it yet. I would say using this strategy missed the boat. So wait and buy when the stock price, when the candles are back trading under the SMA, which will happen sooner or later as SMA goes up and down as well. Remember that. Okay, so that's when you buy, and buy open a bullish intersection, not a bearish intersection. This is a bearish intersection. Okay, let's just highlight this bearish intersection here for you. Bearish intersection here. So normally red. So what you need to do is you don't buy after bearish intersection, you buy after bullish intersection. That's when you buy it, because after bearish intersection could keep going down. All right, so you understand that bearish intersection, bullish intersection. If you don't know, if you don't understand what I'm saying, so you might would look into bgtrading.com.au, our online course, Kickstart. It's a really good course, and we teach everything about the terminology that we use, the KPIs, the indicators for BG trading and BGS20 strategy. So we start making some money straight away. Guys, was my taking on Lake Resources. Okay, great company to speculate, but if the share price is trading under the SMA. So that's when you enter. Okay, so now it's too late. Still could give you a lot more gains to do, but it's very, very dangerous. Guys, hope you enjoyed my analysis. Leave your comments at the description below, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Have a lovely evening. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy was to use only a set number of indicators to make it simple and clear to understand and to be able to apply our KPIs very easily and very effectively. We really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.